You off my mind.
Hey, what's up? It's Bill with Seeds of Nature Water Gardens, and I am in Grants Pass, Oregon. We're about to start a really awesome pond project. It's going to be a 10 by 14, 12-foot stream. We got the big 6,000 biofalls. We got the 5 to 9 SLD pump. We're going to get a lot of flow. I'm going to show you the design that we have for this project. All right, so this is going to be the project. We have a 10 by 14 pond here, so 14 wide or 14 long, 10 wide, and we're going to have a stream coming up all the way up to this pergola, about 12-foot stream, and then you can see this white paint. This is where the 6,000 biofalls is going to be. We're going to use the excavation to build up a berm. Client's going to plant it all up. We're going to have that really nice, cover so that you get really immersed inside the pond. This is the main viewing area back of the house. We got windows, we got seating area, we got a pergola. So this is going to be really special. We're going to integrate all these spaces together, and that's it. All right, let's get to work. All right, so we got the hole dug, we got the underlayment, the liner in. Now we can get some rocks in. So we're gonna put a little bit of extra underlayment underneath the boulders because, anything over 75 to 100 pounds, I wanna kind of protect it. The basalt has some sharp edges, so I just wanna make sure that nothing, could ever happen in the future.
Now, I feel it stronger than before. I'm just not ready to go. If you wanna find me, I'll be
All right, so we got the pond dug, we got liner in, we got it all rocked in, we got most of it edged and kind of completed. So now we dug out the stream. So generally with a pond this size, 10 by 14, we wouldn't give more than about a 12-foot stream because of water motion. But I kind of got dig happy and I dug out a little bit more than would hold, right? So it's going to be a little bit top heavy. Explain it to the clients, they don't care because it's gonna look awesome. You just got to fill it up a little bit. Generally I would never do this, but I think it's going to look awesome. So we got rocks, we're going to be strapping, we're going to hopefully get the rest of this waterfall, at least the bones built out of it. So let's go. I forgot to film some stuff, but I really appreciate you watching. That's all of it. I have finished shots, obviously. I'm gonna show you after this, but I would appreciate it if you liked it, commented on it, let me know what you liked about it. Let me know what I can improve on. You know, I'm open to criticism, really trying to build my audience and whatnot. So that's it. Peace out.